to my channel. Today I've got a nail art tutorial for you, and this time is my first sort of Halloween tutorial of this year. I thought I'd just sort of ease into the Halloween season in terms of nail art with something that could be Halloween or not. My inspiration was a sort of cyber-ish spiderweb. Yep. More on that later. I'm just gonna start out with a buffed nail, buffed acrylic nail I should say. Just so the surface is rough, so the paint has something to grab onto. Alternatively, if you're using your natural nails, you can of course use a matte top coat first or a matte nail polish. And then I'm just going to smear both pink and purple, or pink and blue on the nail, and then sort of like smudge them together, wipe them together. Until I get sort of a muddy purple. I don't know, purple is to me, like, for one, I love purple, it's my favorite color. But also is a color that I think is pretty suitable for Halloween. Of course you can go for orange, or you can go for green and purple, or green and orange. Whatever you want really, I mean, go for sky blue for all I care. Just depends on what you like. But yeah, this doesn't need to be neat or anything, I'm just smudging it together until I get a muddy look like this. And then using a striper brush and white acrylic paint, I'm going to create a spider web. And like I said, my inspiration was I wanted to do something Halloween, but not something necessarily full on Halloween yet. Something that could be anything really. It could also be a modern pattern, so really I think it's sort of like a cyber spider web thing. Like maybe spiders from the future when they're all robots, if they ever become all robots, that's not a certainty. Point being, if spiders were robots, then this is the sort of web I would expect them to create, that sort of idea. And like I said, I just love purple, so that's why I wanted the backdrop to be purple. Also, I just love contrasting colors, and seeing as the background is quite dark, the white spiderweb really pops off the nail, which I love. So yeah, you may want to go over certain areas twice, by the way, if you're using very deep acrylic paint like I am, because, you know, it's not fully opaque in one go. And then once the spiderweb is there, I'm just putting on black dots, sort of like gears, I guess, sort of at each cross of the web. Yeah. To do that I'm just making black dots first, which will serve as a sort of an outline, so you don't just have random thicker white bits there. And then putting a white dot in the exact center of each and every single black dot. And then once everything is done, you gotta let it dry properly before applying the top coat, because otherwise it might smear. I'm gonna use a shiny gel top coat later on in a moment. But yeah, you can use any top coat you like, really. Doesn't need to be gel either, just use whatever you want to use. And yeah, that is basically my entire nail art for today. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I actually do a nail art tutorial only once every 2 weeks. Other than that, and like I said before, this is my first Halloween look, so there's gonna be more this month. But I also do mainly a lot of makeup tutorials. I'm trying to do this for this month at least, one normal look and one very much Halloween look per week. So yeah, if you want to see all of that, don't forget to check them out. In the future, I mean, like they're not up yet, obviously. I don't work that far yet. Point being, yeah, at least thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!